Bro, nothing pain pass say you and person won't fight. As the person blow you, before you say make you blow him back, now your friends hold you. Say leave on, you big pass this thing.
Forever you're my father. Now you they give me rest.
Bring it on, DJ. Benny Alpha now. How are they now? Happy New Year. Now me they just call like this. Now they look me. A whole chairman or social security network. AKA Vigilante. I swear. Alpha now. I agree to now. Happy New Year. I beg me Okpe Bolo. Make it band hype men for Benin this year. I beg. Crossover yesterday, we just from there enter one lounge. More go drink, small enjoy. Now we hear hype man. We just they dance. Next thing we hear now. You feel they outside the blow banker. Me another boy there with your babe for inside the banker. You know say if you there with your babe for there, you go say, oh. Well if your babe not there, you can't say, oh boy, if it be true. Bro, see, life too sweet to my brother. This new year, do your life small. Bro, nothing pain pass say you and person won't fight. As the person blow you, before you say make you blow him back, now your friends hold you. Say leave on, you big pass this thing. You say, as you won't go, they go hold you. You're gonna say, okay. When I leave me, I don't hear. As they leave you, you won't. Now you they call once beaten, twice. Bro, life now brain, no. Brain. Nobody get patient. Rich married man, we won't buy condom for pharmacy. They can get patient. As the pharmacy says, sir, what do you want? They say, no, attend to them, I did. If they suspect everybody. Everybody is a suspect. You know, married men, they buy a condom for pharmacy where they near their house. So they go just dress, wear tie for condom. You where they stay for GRA, when they drive, they go bow. May nobody see you. Life now, brain, no. My brother, brain. I don't discover, say, nobody play with small children. Past man, we won't deceive single mother. They can play with children. You'll see them. Boy, oh boy. Boss. Now, like, won't sleep with him, mama. They try water ground. Bro, life too sweet. So no allow anybody pressure you. This is a new year. Things now don't cost. People can never afford anything again to buy. Everything don't cost. To buy new something now, no problem. This new year now, you see anybody will post for WhatsApp say new year, new me. Nobody feel buy anything new. We are all here with our old body. Nothing new. This is a clear eye. We can't wish Nigeria happy new year. And use the old picture. Nigeria say use your new picture now. If they tell on everybody, hunger, everything don't cost. Before this man enter office, how much be crate of egg? 1,008. He just enter office, he just raise egg, go up. How much is egg now in your area? You say? 7,000. That one an egg will get yolk. Everything don't cost. I been a fuel. Fuel before 200, now 1,000. You know that before we fuel cheap. If you want sleep, you go on gen, make you feel sleep. Now we fuel don't cost. If you on gen, you know if you sleep. Your eye go open like this. Go open. My neighbor yesterday, the guy just wake up for morning, just they cry. Tears. Wetin happen? He say it's on gen, now he sleep off. Now we say at least as you sleep, fan blow you. He say no, that's not why I'm crying. Why are you crying? He say he suffer buy fuel 1 on gen finish, plug your phone for socket, he forget to on socket. They don't break now, phone 0%, fuel empty. country is hard. Bag of rice, 140. Everything don't cost. Ordinary rice, when they buy 40k before. Now, 140. Rice. When last you hear of rice man? This is not play. Country is what? Messed up. But in all, no allow anybody pressure you. Cut your coat this year according to your size. And they tell my guy, if they complain, give me for backstage. Say, Papa, him be plan to buy land last year. Say, because everything now don't cost. Even land don't cost. He no fit buy land again. Say, land don't too cost. Now say, bro, calm down. Land no cost. Now you won't stay around people. You get where you go buy land, it will buy it after the second river, 1 by 9, 800,000, with small kidnappers. No pressure. My guy was telling me backstage and say, he be planned to marry last year, but everything don't cost. Tomato don't cost, so this one don't cost, so it no fit marry again. Whole don't cost, drink don't cost, it no fit marry again. Now I say, bro, calm down. Marriage no cost. Now you won't go see the girl parents. Give the girl belle, the parents go come see you. With their own transport. You come there talk like this, my son. How you can't say make you be? You can't say, Daddy, what thing go happen now? Moku na go, I'll call now my head full, my head full. Let me do and I go. See, Benin girls, I don't have time. Benin girls, you guys are not straightforward. Benin girls, we now 419 too many. Some other girls in like Abuja, very straightforward. If American girl now won't post about her boyfriend, she know the shame. She go post the boy a picture for WhatsApp. She will come write caption. I love you, John. You know she's dating. Benin girl won't do the same thing. No picture. You go just write, I love you. If you know, you know. We don't know. We don't know. Show us. They can hide their boyfriend. You don't see where Benin girl dey inside a car with her boyfriend. She they do Snapchat. The boy they drive. She they do video like this. The boy they play music. She go they show her face. One I offer my beg. Benin girls, one I no verse. One I offer. When I won't spoil this joke. Now Benin girl there for a side motor with her boyfriend. Think is she go show you now lie yo. And she they make video like this, only her face go they show. The boy go they drive. Before you know you go they see the boy's shoulder. Only the boy's shoulder then go they show. As she they turn, she will turn them again. Now we will come to show our friends, say, Alpha, observe this girl status. Who get this shoulder for Benin? Who draw scorpion for soldier? Who draw scorpion? Benin, good night. Thank you very much. My name is MC. That's it.